Modern space bling grab bag. All this stuff is contemporary manufacture since 2000. If I can ever get it out. And we get a nice Apollo command module. The made in China on it. Oh, that's nice. There's an Apollo lunar module festooned with various accoutrements. There's a nice lunar rover. I don't know what that is. Nice little track performer. An assortment of figures. And these terrain pieces are cool. I guess this looks like it might be parts of the rover. We'll figure that out later. This probably would have been in a set. Pretty sure this is the set here because it's got the two moon rocks in it. Action City Space Mission playset by Darren Worldwide Trading. Currently retailing for $54.95, which is why I went this route to get this. There we go. Splashdown capsule. There we go. Realtoy, made in China. I'd already had this example here. Realtoy, made in China. So it's a Realtoy Apollo command module. Plastic's a little bit lighter than the last one, or the one that I'd originally had, and the reason to get it was for use in my space collage art here. I lined up all the toy pieces from it. The space caddy. And I like having a second one. I don't want to commit my own collection piece to it. He goes right there. Next to the astronaut in the raft. Focus, please. Recovery forces represented by that. Over here we've got our launch complex. I'm very pleased. I don't know if the camera can show it, but I'm very pleased by how the optical effects here on this patch of what's essentially Cape Kennedy Swamp has sort of generated a transparent layer on top of it, and we'll use, I think that's an aspirin jar container lid. There's an easy cheese lid with a rocket. The reason why I piled them up is to make it high enough for the gantry piece that I painted. And there's the traveler with his service dog. And a little bit of greenery to represent Florida, a tropical state. Up here, of course, we have the rocket with its exhaust, represented in 3 dimensions, using some cotton wadding, flying off to the planet, and then they land in their lunar module and head out to explore the surface. And the guy who's pointing is pointing out to his buddy Oh, look! And there's a little green man. And that's our completed image with its, I think it's 14 toy pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pieces in all. So I might look for another one of him yet, but I mean, it's something. I believe he's actually supposed to be riding one of these lunar rover vehicles here. Let's just see if we can demonstrate. You see there? That's what we're talking about. But I like him better sitting there on the raft, awaiting the recovery forces. Hey, quite the track performer. Here's our astronaut for the rover vehicle. Make sure you got one seated astronaut for the rover, and there's more contemporary made spacemen to do other things with. I actually have gotten out. I've actually got quite a few of these. I wanted to see if I had a match. Well, that one looks about the same. Made in China. Probably much we're going to find with all of it. Made in China. So now I've got second pieces of everything in here except for the guy with the dog and the astronaut on the raft. I also don't have another one of these NPC Navy aircraft for the recovery forces, but I'm not going to sweat it. And we're done. Whoa. Decent day's work.